Human skeleton system. Q. What is the main function of the skeletal system? A. The skeletal system provides support, protection, and structure to the body. Q. Name the 3 types of bones in the human body. A. Long bones, short bones, and flat bones. Q. Which bone protects the brain? A. The skull, cranium, protects the brain. Q. What are joints, and how do they help in movement? A. Joints are connections between bones. They allow movement and flexibility in the body. Q. Give an example of a ball and socket joint. A. The hip joint is a ball and socket joint. Q. What is the purpose of cartilage in joints? A. Cartilage provides cushioning and reduces friction between bones in joints. Q. Which bone is commonly known as the collarbone? A. The clavicle is commonly known as the collarbone. Q. What is the function of the rib cage? A. The rib cage protects vital organs like the heart and lungs. Q. Name the bone that makes up the forearm. A. The ulna and radius are the bones of the forearm. Q. Which bone forms the backbone of the spine? A. The vertebrae collectively form the backbone or spine. Q. What is the purpose of the spinal column? A. The spinal column protects the spinal cord and provides structural support. Q. What is the largest bone in the human body? A. The femur is the largest bone in the human body. Q. Which joint allows for bending and straightening movements? A. Hinge joints, like the knee and elbow, allow bending and straightening. Q. Name the bones of the hand. A. Metacarpals and phalanges are the bones of the hand. Q. What is the function of the patella? A. The patella, kneecap, protects the knee joint and improves leverage. Q. Which bone forms the ankle joint? A. The tibia and fibula contribute to the ankle joint. Q. What is the role of the sternum in the human body? A. The sternum protects the chest and supports the rib cage. Q. Name the bones that make up the shoulder girdle. A. The clavicle and scapula form the shoulder girdle. Q. What are the 3 parts of the sternum? A. The manubrium, body, and xiphoid process are the 3 parts of the sternum. Q. Which joint allows rotational movement? A. Pivot joints, like the ones in the neck, allow rotational movement. Q. What is the purpose of the pelvic girdle? A. The pelvic girdle supports the spine and protects reproductive organs. Q. Name the bones that make up the pelvic girdle. A. The ilium, ischium, and pubis are the bones of the pelvic girdle. Q. Which bone is commonly referred to as the thigh bone? A. The femur is commonly known as the thigh bone. Q. What is the function of the echioid bone? A. The echioid bone supports the tongue and throat muscles. Q. Which joint allows circular movement? A. Ball and socket joints, like the shoulder joint, allow circular movement. Q. What is the purpose of the coccyx? A. The coccyx provides support for the pelvic organs. Q. Name the bones of the lower leg. A. The tibia and fibula are the bones of the lower leg. Q. Which joint connects the skull to the spine? A. The atlant occipital joint connects the skull to the spine. Q. What is the function of the metatarsals? A. Metatarsals support the structure of the foot. Q. Name the bones of the upper arm. A. The humerus is the bone of the upper arm. Q. What is the function of the sacrum? A. The sacrum provides support to the spine and connects it to the pelvic girdle. Q. Which joint allows movement in multiple directions? A. A ball and socket joint allows movement in multiple directions. Q. What is the purpose of the bony thorax? A. The bony thorax protects the organs in the chest cavity. Q. Name the bones of the wrist. A. The carpals are the bones of the wrist. Q. What is the function of the nasal bone? A. The nasal bone forms the bridge of the nose and supports nasal cartilage. Q. Which bones make up the elbow joint? A. The humerus, radius, and ulna contribute to the elbow joint. Q. What is the role of the fontanelles in infants? A. Fontanelles allow flexibility during childbirth and later close as the skull develops. Q. Name the bones that form the ankle joint. A. The tibia, fibula, and talus form the ankle joint. Q. Which bones protect the spinal cord in the vertebral column? A. The vertebrae protect the spinal cord in the vertebral column. Q. What is the function of the phalange?